The Samsung Galaxy A16 has arrived, offering a balanced experience between performance and design, with solid specifications and modern features. Today we'll explore all the details of this smartphone, which aims to win over those looking for an affordable and functional device. Starting with the display, the Galaxy A16 features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate. It's a perfect screen for video watching or smooth browsing. Not extraordinary, as this is an entry-level phone. Its design is elegant, with dimensions of 164.4 mm in height, 77.9 mm in width, and 7.9 mm in thickness, weighing just 200 grams. Color options include gray, water green, and midnight blue. A very welcome addition is the IP54 certification, offering basic water and dust resistance, something the A15 lacked. It's not waterproof, but can handle splashes or light rain well. One of the highlights here is the system. Android 14 with the One UI 6.1 interface, guaranteed to receive 6 system updates. At the heart of this phone, you'll find 2 chipset options: the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 for the 4G version and the Exynos 1330 for the 5G version, which will cost slightly more. Both deliver stable performance with 3 RAM options: 4GB, 6GB, and 8GB, alongside internal storage of 128GB or 256GB, expandable via microSD. This is a versatile setup to suit different user needs. For cameras, the A16 comes with a triple rear setup identical to the A15, led by a 50-megapixel main lens, accompanied by a 5-megapixel ultra-wide and a 2-megapixel macro. It's ideal for capturing photos from various perspectives. The front camera has 13 megapixels, making it excellent for selfies and video calls. Photos offer decent quality, especially in good lighting, but don't expect flagship-level performance, particularly at night. The difference from the A15 lies in software improvements, which bring more sharpness and contrast. For video, the A16 records in Full HD at 30 frames per second without 4K support. In terms of battery, there's nothing new here. We have a 5000 mAh battery that ensures a full day of moderate use. Additionally, there's 25-watt fast charging to quickly get your device back to full power. In connectivity, the Galaxy A16 offers dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS with multiple positioning systems, and NFC, which is great for contactless payments. A USB-C port and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor complement the list of practical features. It also includes an accelerometer, gyroscope, and virtual proximity sensor. The Samsung Galaxy A16 combines a vibrant display, versatile cameras, and balanced performance, all wrapped in a lightweight and durable design. It's an excellent choice for those seeking an entry-level smartphone with good overall balance. If you're interested in the Galaxy A16, check out the links in the description to get yours at the best prices. Want more tips? Watch this video here for a detailed comparison between the 4G and 5G versions. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Cheers!